I invite Mr. Aziz Kalau from him, is a human rights activist from the organization Detroit and Deco. Merci, Monsieur le Président.
Mr. President, my name is Aziz Kalau. I am from Jordan. I am from the Organization of Human Rights. I want to tell you about the Kurdish people who are oppressed in the Afrin. This Kurdish area, it's under the occupation of Turkey more than 1 year. Turkey has allowed army forces. There is a lot of reports telling that this area, there is a lot of violations of human rights committed by Turkish. This Turkish people also has made it against Syrian population and also Ízídéna. And there is another organization that has made a report what's happened with the Kurdish in this area, especially the Yazidis who are living in this area. In Afrin there is 70,000 people. In Ízídéna tell that 50% of the population has fled the area since the last year because they are afraid of the violation of human rights. What the people has left, they have been killed or they have been arrested and obliged to emigrate and obliged to have a religious Islamic order and obliged to be Muslims. Through this extreme group. This group is the one who are controlling this area, the extremist group, and also the Turkish army. These people are convicted because they have killed a woman that has said she's not going to leave her house, and they put a bomb in her house. And after that, they tortured her husband after they kidnapped him. And there is another man from Yazidi. They killed him only because he was Yazidi. So Ízídéna institution has really reported about these areas from the sons of these victims. So there is a lot of other cases of killings. Ízídéna, they have also made a lot of photographic reports showing how the army they have stolen a lot of property, especially the religious sites. And they have also stolen the belongings of the citizens, of the civilians, to have money. And they oblige them to get out from their original land. So from here, I really want to ask you from this place, I want you as the international community to really focus on these violations and to finish with the sufferers of my people in Afrin. We want you also to support the thousands of people, of the civilians that has fled, to help them also. They are living in the refugee camp in Shahba. They are fled because they are afraid of persecution from in Afrin. If the time it was allow me, I will tell you more about Afrin. About how the Kurdish people, how they, in the different backgrounds, they are persecuted. They are persecuted because of the fire of the terrorists that it's committed by Turkey and his terrorist other groups. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Aziz. That's a very, very passionate frame about what's happening in Kurdistan. We all understand Kurdistan is a complex scenario. Kurds are in 3 different countries, as we know: Syria, Iraq, and Turkey. and they are suffering in all three places. It's high time UN does something to help them. Let us go to the next panelist. I'm calling Dr. Balachandran Palani, human rights defender from Tamil Nadu, to come with his views and his experience about genocide.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you, Dr. Selvan, Dr. Paul Newman, Aziz, Shilan, Dirkshan, and all the audience here. Today, I'm going to be talking on the human rights violation and the genocide that took place against the Tamils in Sri Lanka, Tamil Elam. I will be focusing more on the post-genocide, which we would like to call a structural genocide that's still being inflicted on the minority Tamils of the Sri Lankan state. So I'll try to be quick considering the time we have and the slots allotted for the rest of the panels here. It's been since 4 years since the war ended in 2009. I'll be focusing more on how the Sri Lankan military state and the government is continuing to inflict harm on the Tamils after the genocide. They stopped shelling the minority Tamils there, but they haven't stopped their atrocities by the tyrannical Sri Lankan state. There have been so far 10,000